Good evening to all of you. Congratulations, Beth and Omeng. Today, as you embark this beautiful journey of marriage, I wish you both a future filled with love, laughter, and countless blessings. May you cherish each moment na kayo ay magkasama, and may you support each other sa hirap at sa ginhawa. And to Beth, I'm so happy for you. Hindi mo man kami kasama ngayon, mas masaya sana kung magkakasama tayo to witness yung inyong kasal. Pero lagi mong tatandaan na lagi kang kasama sa prayer namin at napakasaya namin na finally ito na yung pangarap mo to have your own family. Ito na, binigay na ni Lord. And ngayon na ikaw ay may asawa na, always submit yourself to your husband. I-support mo siya sa lahat ng endeavors niya. Ikaw yung maging source of strength niya. At ngayon na magkakababy na rin kayo, alam kong magiging mabuti kang ina kasi napaka mapagmahal mong anak at kapatid. And to Omeng, and one tip pala for a happy marriage, mahalin mo yung in-laws mo. Kasi kapag minahal mo yung in-laws mo, at nakita yun ni Omeng, mas mamahalin ka pa niya. And to Omeng, thank you so much sa pagmamahal mo sa kapatid ko. Thank you kasi ikaw yung naging sagot ni Lord sa prayer niya na magkaroon ng pamilya. Alam ko that you will be a good head of the family. Gawin yung center ng relationship niyo si Lord kasi alam ko na kapag siya yung center ng relationship niyo, you will never go wrong. And I would like to take this opportunity also to thank your family, to tita, to grandma, and sa mga kapatid mo, Omeng, maraming salamat for welcoming Beth sa inyong pamilya, for loving her, for taking care of her. Napakalaking bagay no na hindi namin siya kasama, milya-milya man yung layo. Alam namin na merong pamilya na nagmamahal sa kanya. And to our relatives, to Ate Evelyn, to Kuya Sammy Boy, thank you for the continuous support na ibinibigay nyo kay Beth. At ngayon, hindi lang kay Beth, kasali na rin si Omeng. And to all the friends and family na nag-celebrate with them, maraming salamat po. Again, congratulations and best wishes.